Alright, this is our fixture for putting together our boxes. I go through and I glue all the joints. Use a lot of glue, just a little dab. We prefer using Type Bond 3 for our hives. We found that it works really nice. And then all we have to do is push our little spots in. It's got a butt plate here and a butt plate on this side. And then opposite those butt plates are our clamps. It's a large fixture, but it works really nicely for making sure the boxes are square. And then all I do is go through and staple them. And then I'll double check some of the boxes. The board itself was warped, so I might have to put on an additional clamp. But if the boards are good and straight, this is an unnecessary, but this one has a warp. And everything just gets nailed together. And just like that, box is done.
Marking.
Then we also have just this nice little fixture for marking our holes that we drill. All I do is, it's got a T in the back, so I butt it up on the corner. And then all I have to do is rotate the box and I can go through and I have a consistent square. These are for our mating nukes, so they have multiple